Welcome to Pydle Day 127. Pydle is a daily puzzle game you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a cute little crab, so have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle or you would like to learn more about Python, and I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was an ice lolly, and it continued the theme of things you would do in the heat, because it was really hot. We had a heat wave in the UK where I live. Okay, so we're just going to use the two loops that's there by default. So x in range 5, y in range 5. And we're going to do the whites and the browns together. So let's do an if statement. If x equals 0 or y equals 4 or y equals 0 and then we're just going to create a tuple for the x and x in 1, 4. Okay, so let's start with that. Do it white. Let's see the outline. Okay, so that's the outline. Now we need to do something different for the browns, so we can do that just with an inline if statement. So we can say brown if y equals 4 and 1 less than x less than 4, else white. See if that makes sense to you. So we do all the pixels white unless y equals 4 and 1 less than x, so that's pixel number 1. So that needs to be less than x, so it means x is 2 or 3. And then x is less than 4 again. So that works out. Okay. And we've got no black pixels, so we just need one else statement for all the rest. I'm going to copy that one over. Okay. This one's slightly different. So we need something for the yellows. Then the rest can be orange. So what is the condition for the yellows? Again, we can write a complicated expression for that. You can see there's a little bit of a diagonal, but it's going to be too complicated, I think. So let's just do a tuple of x and y, and then we compare that. We create a list of tuples we expect. That's going to be, that one's going to be 2, 1, x2, y1. And the other one is x1, y2. So it is the inverse of that one. In a couple of days, I'm going to introduce the itertools permutations function, because those are basically two permutations of 1, 2, which we're going to have a little bit of fun with in a couple of days. Let's see if that worked. Yes, that solved the Pydle. So have a go yourself. If you've already done that, then try and solve the cute little crab. And I'll see you again tomorrow.